tertúlia.
Boa tarde aí para
Good afternoon, everybody.
Hoje é dia 19
Today
de
is
dezembro de
December
2010,
19, 2010, Sunday.
verbete é
The entry
1782,
is
5
the
páginas,
1782,
43
5
pages,
pages, 43 ologies, 20 maxima.
Recomendo ver o detalhismo que tem
I
14
suggest you to check the taylorism with 14 maxima.
Interação com sim,
The theme
OFIEX.
is interaction,
Especialidade OFIEXologia.
consent OFEX interaction.
A interação com o SIOFIEX é a identificação
Definition,
da ocorrência do
the interaction, the consent OFEX interaction is the identification of the occurrence of the parafact or paraphenomenon of the interexistential technicity of the intraphysical consciousness to achieve the free performance of the personal extraphysical office.
Na existência intrafísica e nas dimensões conscienciais.
The assisted carrier personal holothosene,
consciex e subhumanos.
the dual interexistential living of the lucid conscient in the intraphysical existence and consciential dimensions,
A consciência na intrafisicalidade.
the settling of the OFEX anchoring the consciousness in the extraphysicality,
A fundamentação das atuações
the action
envolvendo
establishment
simultaneamente várias dimensões.
involving various
A psicosfera
dimensions,
afirmada como central
the
dos
psychosphere
assediadores.
as the intrusion
O
central,
estabelecimento do círculo de
the
paramilitares
settling of a solid pair of friendship circle,
assistências multidimensionais coletivas. O paraplantão assistencial
the
de
24 hours assistential duty,
bolsão interdimensional
the
particular.
private interdimensional
O campo
bubble,
interassistencial particular ininterrupto.
the uninterrupted
As paraconexões
private
do OFIEX
interassistential
com a central
field,
de energia e com a paraestrutura assistencial da
the
rede.
paraconnections of the OFEX with the extraphysical central of energies. In polynomiology, it's written polynomials, and it's wrong.
Com 17 realidades, componentes da estrutura da
In
OFIEX
taxology,
pessoal,
there are 17 realities which are part of the structure of the OFEX.
Eu quero lembrar para vocês que essa interação com o SIOFIEX é a
I would
mesma
like
coisa que
to
falar
remind you that
interação
when we
pelo
talk
sistema
about
OFIEXista.
consent OFEX interaction, we are talking
Agora,
about
na
the interaction
redistribuição,
between
nós
the
tratamos
pentapractioner
ancoragem consciencial externa,
and the
ancoragem consciencial
OFEX.
extrafísica, ancoragem consciencial íntima.
In referenciology, I would like to highlight the external consciential anchorage, the extraphysical consciential anchorage, inner consciential
A interação com o
anchorage,
SIOFIEX é procedimento
the
evoluído de
pro-OFEX
experimentação
self-living.
pessoal, que somente ocorre com a personalidade
consent
afeita, a
OFEX interaction is an evolved procedure of personal experimentation and only happens to the personality who is interested in the cosmoethical, multidimensional interexistentiality. Questionology. Do you admit the consent OFEX interaction? Do you see the possibility of such procedure happening to you?
Essa condição é para ser usada para
Question.
seus necessitados. Se eu parar de trabalhar, tem algum problema?
I am
Pois estão com excesso de médico.
parapsychic,
Você para e vai
and
trabalhar com a tenefes.
people say that if I stop, I can't stop doing
Vai
that.
lucrar mais e vai ter mais assistência.
Is this correct?
Com o tempo.
Well, I think you should start doing Penta. You're going to have more assistance, and you're going to do more assistance.
Espiritismo ou de centro espírita.
This does not depend on being a spiritualist or anything else.
Passo formiguinha, vagarosamente, sempre. Esses princípios conscienciais precisam necessariamente passar por todas as espécies para chegar ao ser humano? Isso a gente não sabe, né?
all the
que a gente vê que passaram por determinados
do all the
tipos de
subhumans
personalidade subhumana,
need
ainda se parecem, né?
to have all the levels to become humans
consciencial de vegetal precisa passar por todas as famílias do reino animal,
are
moluscos, aves,
do the
mamíferos,
vegetables, for example, need to have all experiences in different levels in order to evolve? Well, we need to investigate this more.
Escravização às lavagens paracerebrais remotas perpetuada na síndrome da autovitimização? Sim. Autovitimização, a pessoa se coloca numa
the question is about self-victimization. Well, this is a result of the para-brain washing from past lives. When the person is a self-victim, this is a very serious disease of millions of people.
Quanto mais palestinos, quanto mais estudo essa relação,
the more I study this relationship, the more confused I am. The Jewish have been chased by the Nazis. However, in 2010, the Jewish executed the Palestinians. What are the group karmic consequences of these relations? Would the Palestinians be Nazi resumated, just as an hypothesis? Well, there may be, but what you need to remember is that Jewish are on earth for 5 millennia. And the big boss of the Jewish people was Moses. Okay? And Moses was Egyptian. So that's when we start everything. Jewish and Palestinians are cousins. They're from the same family. It's the family that fight between them. And they are warlike people. It's like dog eating dog. That's the problem. So for how long have we been seeing this fight? We'll come to 100 years of fighting. Even more. So it's a very serious problem because there is no forgiveness among them. The Italian principle is horrible. If you lose your eye, you kill another person. So think about this. Moses started all this and he was Egyptian. Egyptians are Jewish. But they are also Arabic, and they are cousins. It's all a matter of family, and they are fighting in the same lands for a long time. So, can you face this condition? And the Jewish got lots of guns, lots of warlike objects. It's just like family fighting. It's horrible. For example, I am for Lula regarding what he said, as the map should remain the same way as in 1960s. So he values the Palestinian people from the point of view of the studies I have been seeing. It's very difficult because the United States people are guided by the Jewish. The Jewish have the atomic bomb. The Pakistan has the atomic bomb. So they don't go against these people. And WikiLeaks is showing this reality. I think this WikiLeaks is great. Because the way it was made, they can't just sue this guy. They can send him to prison. And Lula was also right. I'm talking about the hits of Lula, okay? Sometimes he makes some corrections. After 8 years complaining about him, we see him making some hits.
de que existem mais de uma consciência coabitando o espaço do indivíduo na vigília
da vida. Regarding the theory of the vibrational state, there is this theory that says that there are two people living in the same place. Well, I work with tons of concepts every day. This is nonsense. This is a literary hypothesis. You can write novels about that, but the truth for me, this is an utopia. Well, talking about utopia, we are visionaries. We are establishing the Cognopolis, which is an utopia. But this is not the inverted utopia, like the communism, which turned out to be negative. There are books about that, the inverted utopia. Marxism. Question. How can somebody be aware of their affects? Is it possible to have an affects without knowing about it? Well, I've heard many questions about that for the last 6 years. I know you are coming now and you are new here. I'm going to explain that to you. The person does not need to know about the affects. They need to know about Penta. After they start doing Penta, there will come one day and they will have an affects. If you have an affects, you'll know about that. There will be a tour guide. A guide who will take you and lead you to be aware of the affects you have. So do not worry about that right now. We need to study now this cosine affects interaction in order to be aware of this reality. Have the affects as an attempt hypothesis and let it go. But anyway, just in case, do the Penta. The Penta is only yours. You are the one who knows how your Penta is. Question. Is it possible to have forth the soma? Well, there is another level of study, which is the mental somatic cycle. You need to study about that. You need to read about that, the mental somatic cycle. But this is all meteorological. We need to study up to the free consciousness, and after that, it's no use right now. As an affects practitioner, having interstitial field 24 hours, do you need to practice Penta 15 minutes a day? Well, sometimes I work with Penta for 3 hours, and in terms of time, everything gets worse. However, in terms of well-being, everything gets better. Can the affects substitute the Penta practice? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Well, Professor, I was in doubt about studying psychology or phonoaudiology. And after I talked to you, I decided into psychology. And today I have my university entrance exam. I count on your energies, okay? Well, yeah, she's great. She's very nice. Let's cheer for her so she passes this exam. Well, today is Sunday. It's the fourth Sunday I'm going to talk about this. So I'd like to remind you that if you have a piece of land at Vila Consciência and you haven't done your title deed, you need to do that urgently.
Hoje é dia 19.
This is
agora eu vou falar isso, acho que mais uma vez.
IEC.
Para falar o último.
IEC's
agora, eu quero dizer para vocês que hoje ainda tem lá o Holo Summer.
Well, I want to tell you also that today we still have the Holo Summer with some events in the afternoon. At 3 p.m. there will be this conviviology and RuPaul Maxi Praxis event. At 5 p.m. there will be the closing of the event. And also the movie Agora tonight. So you are all invited to that. I want to tell you something very serious now. There is this Consciência publication. This edition is the best. It's great. It's on Penta. For example, there's some articles on Penta daydreaming, another one about Penta and pregnancy, synergism, Penta and epicentrism, Penta worldwide. So I've read some of these chapters. This is a very serious book, and I suggest you to study that thoroughly. If you want to see it, you can, but then you please give it back to me. Well, back to the theme, Professor. In Paraphatology, page 37, could you elaborate on the private interdimensional bubble? Well, I always say that the OFAX is a bubble, is constituted by a bubble of energies that are appropriate for some kind of assistance. It's very consistent extraphysically, very serious. This bubble is camouflaged, hidden. It's difficult to identify it, to know where it is located. Sometimes there are the OFAX intruders. They are intruders, satellites. They were orphans from other intruders, and they are sniffing around trying to find where the OFAX is, because their leader, the mega intruder, is caught in the OFAX, is kept in the OFAX. So I wanted to show you that there are some OFAC intruders. It's good to know if you are going to have an OFAC in the future. It's important to study this. Did you understand what I meant?
Na fatologia, professor.
In
factology,
interassistencial
dupla da consciência lúcida
the dual interassistential living of the lucid conscience in the intraphysical existence and consciential dimensions, and also a life dedicated to the existentiality, to conscience, consexes, and subhumans. So, could you tell me if about our pets, if we are doing something, they feel that? Well, in my Penta, I receive many requirements to assist subhumans, pets. This is a family subject. It's part of the job. For example, sometimes when there is an elephant sick, the other elephants go there to help it. Yeah, the elephants are very helpful. There are subhumans that are even more assistential than humans. And this is the dual interassistential living. Think about that. The OFAC is the beginning of the semi-consexuality. Well, you're talking about the OFAC intruder. He can't find the OFAC, but is there any negative influence into the OFAC? No, because when they come to the OFAC, they are eaten. They are held by the OFAC. Do you understand that? They feel something about the OFAC, but they don't know where it is exactly. It's hard for us to feel how they are, how they feel. For example, I have another point here. The same way you talked in São Paulo, about São Paulo, that the consexes got to know about the Serenissimus. Is there this kind of extraphysical situation? No. The intruders that go to the OFAC are satellites of intruders, of mega intruders. They lost the contact with their leaders. They are acephalous, and they try to go to the OFAC.
Parece que nasceram, mas eles não nasceram, né? São conscientes. Mas parece que nasceram em Minas, aquele negócio. Mas esses geralmente são
these intruders usually are
aqueles que trabalham junto
suspicious.
do assediador.
They are the intruders who are around the big intruders.
Quando às vezes se faz trabalho assim,
when there is this kind of work and these consexes are taken away in order to do assistance, we are under attack until they are assisted. We need to be aware of that situation and do things very slowly. The work when the work gets deeper, bigger. For example, when the helper draws the intruder into the Penta, into the Alphex, the other satellites come together, closer. But I am a seasoned. I know about things. In the future, you're going to know about that too. I believe that later there will be more people to be assisted. What about the millions that are on Earth? You can't pour the Earth into another planet. So I think there will be many more people and much more assistance to do. Well, as the pioneer of this situation, this history, I see few people working right now. You need to remember that I am a Penta practitioner and I am a public person. I'm talking to you every day. How many people are there here right now? So we have an idea how this goes. What I can see is that for the future, everything will get better. There are 100 people here. So, you see, there are 100 people here, and this draws the attention. Usually, most of the people here are Penta practitioners, and this is something that draws their attention. We need to have this information, at least theoretically, and you're going to. We are preparing the environment for them, for the helpers. All the debates on interassistentiality help the helpers. Page 38, Professor, first line, the interaction of facts and personal para-origin. This is very serious. I came from the Pombal, the pigeon house. I worked there for some time, then I have a little short intraphysical life, and then I came back there. After that, I came to this life. So, I had contact with many consciences who were there preparing to resonate. And there is a rapport and affinity between us. This situation potentializes my extraphysical relations cycle. For example, a couple of years ago, I came back there. I came back to the pigeon house, and I met only 2 people that were from my time, because it's been over 50 years that I had left there. I talked to this nurse there, a friend of mine, and I asked her about some people, and she told me that they had already gone.
Já aconteceu isso, acho, com 3 casos.
I've seen 3 cases like that. One of the consexes that I was asking about to the nurse, they resonated, they came to Earth, and I was helping them. Do you see the times, the periods of time and assistance relation? I have some time in Spain, then some time after Spain, then when the consex was here and I assisted them.
A gente teve contato, a gente viu com calma. Uma outra coisa, algumas entraram como assistidos e depois ficaram como assistentes.
Some consexes came in as assisted, and after a while they turned out to be assistants. They were assisted and became assistants.
Para ver a palpabilidade, a concretude.
So you need to see how concrete this reality is, how it works.
Há 4 anos optei ser ovo-lacto vegetariano.
4 years ago I decided to be half vegan, ovo-lacto vegan. And I have seen many movies about the suffering, the sacrifices regarding animals. Since then, my digestion is better and I'm calmer and I feel more intuitive and keep active as before. Hermogenes was the pioneer here of yoga in Brazil, right? No, he wasn't. It was Jean-Pierre Bastieux. He is ovo-lacto vegan for over 60 years, and he has very good health. I would like to know if nowadays you eat meat, and what about the negative energies kept in meat? I feel that the more subtle is our energies, the better for the health. Am I right? Yes, no, you are wrong. Sometimes I eat meat, depending on the circumstances, when I need some stronger energies. I don't eat eggs for 50 years. And I don't drink lots of milk for a long time, because with age, you don't assimilate this kind of protein. So it's all nonsense. You should be only vegan if you want to. Or you can eat fish. I eat fish every day. But an adult shouldn't keep eating eggs, because it's killing many people. It's too much cholesterol. Do you know what I used to love when I was a kid? Egg with rice. I was mad about that. Yeah, with that, the yellow very soft, but I left it all due to cholesterol. And lactase is not assimilated. Is there anyone here that doesn't assimilate the lactose? I bet not. It's good for you to eat fish or something like this, because it helps the phosphate, the neurons, and also for you to have some animal energy. It's the best thing we have. If we start becoming Serenissimus right here, we'll have to work with the continent, and we can't help man to man. So it's not as you say in these questions. In Orientalism, there are the Bodhisattvas, referring to the elevated beings that help the incarnated in the evolutionary way. Where are they in the evolutionary scale according to conscientiology? I don't know who are these Bodhisattvas. Maybe it's some new name they gave. Or they may be free consciousnesses, but I don't know about them. Other question. I used to live in São Paulo for a decade, and I was anxious about some religion to find the way. I found myself in the spiritualism house of Zíbia Gasparetto, and I saw this leaflet about Conscienciology, and I attended some courses, some advanced courses, even by you. I used to sit back, but sometimes you asked me what was happening to me, and there were some friends trying to help me. And you also said that I have ectoplasm, but later I needed to leave São Paulo. Today I found you because I googled you, but would you comment, would you elaborate on my conditions? Well, you know what you need. I am doing my best since then, so try to do your best. Question. Making a research in the internet, I discovered this genetic predisposition that make people more promiscuous. However, I would like to know about your opinion and the paragenetics regarding this study. Well, in genetics and paragenetics, there are all foolishness we can do. Our issue is to have discernment, to choose what's best in terms of evolution, and leave all that's not good behind. There is a principle we talk about this, about here. If something is not good, it's useless to make like a makeup, makeover. Just forget it, eliminate, extinguish this evil. I've read about Sereníssimos that, among other roles, he plays the role of the expansion of the Spanish language. Is there any relationship to the United States and the Spanish countries? Yes, the United States only speak English, and they have made many wars, and the Vietnam people went to the United States because of that. So it's important for the Spanish language to be melting the English language, for them to open their minds. Back to what you said about the intruder, Professor, and the mega intruder and the Alpha-X. In the case of the house in which there are 3 Penta practitioners, could we say that it's kind of bubble, or due to the tasks, or something like that? Well, everything improves. The intraphysical base or energetic base helps everybody. It becomes shielded. But can't the intruder find the Penta practitioners easier? No, they don't find it. If they follow you, they will find you. But if they follow you, it's great for you. You don't need to have an ambulance. They come with you. It's great.
Com açúcar até eu que estou falando. Assim,
That's very easy.
Uma outra dúvida.
Agora, ó, assediador de OPX nunca...
OFAX intruders can never find the OFAX by themselves.
Uma outra dúvida. No caso, para conseguir chegar no OFAX...
In the case of the intraphysical consciousness coming to the OFAX...
Vamos dizer, os efeitos.
Let's say, are there some body effects?
Era muito intenso.
When I started Penta, there was it was very intense. And nowadays I feel there is energization, but it's not the same way. It doesn't matter your symptoms, your perceptions, your experience. See the results. That's what matters. So the tendency is to keep this condition or not. Penta is led for you to feel better, but everything is a frame. What matters is the picture, the objective. One last question in antagonismology.
Antagonismo, o princípio da incerteza e extrapolacionismo parapsíquico.
Parapsychical extrapolism and uncertainty principle. When the uncertainty principle is when you're not sure about anything. There is this kind of principle in physics, in mathematics. It comes from Heisenberg and so on. But what happens is that you need to see that people sometimes are unsure about specific issues. We talk about affects, okay? This is a certainty for many people. It's not written in books, you don't see it in history, it's what I call new verpon or transverpon. So when this uncertainty principle happens, and if you're making assistance, and you need to be assisted to amplify your inter-assistance, the helpers can show you this phenomenon. They take you to some advanced community, extra-physical community, for you to see how it works and what energetic center is. This is exactly the comparison between this and the extra-physical parapsychical extrapolationism. Do you understand? So the problem is to reach the nucleus. The case is just this. Continue doing assistance, keep doing assistance, and everything improves. This is the way out. This earth was made the way it is, like this dimension, to be a hospital, a big hospital. That's how it is. They are trying to improve this hospital and to grow it into a school. So if earlier it used to be a hospital, we are trying to make it a school. So from the mega hospital, it will be the mega school. There is logic in it. Everything I say here is based in facts and parafacts. You don't need to understand everything I say. All you need to see is there logic? Is there rationality? If so, you have a problem, guy. If you admit there is logic, you have an issue here. Because you need to take it into consideration, into account. You need to face it. There's no way out. Professor, page 38, Crescendology. The growth of the re-educationological demand in the era of extra-physical reurbanization. Nowadays we have several studies. Everybody is studying here. The conscientiological institutions are just like colleges.
É o que nós estamos fazendo mesmo.
We are an open university here in Cognopolis. In terms of Reurbex, the extraphysical reurbanization is what we are living here, what we are experiencing here, with the intraphysical recycling. Professor, would this make a dynamism? Well, everything is helping. There is a convergence of factors to help the process. For example, Cognopolis. If you look for, you will find 50, at least 50 things that helps you make penta. Lots of things that help you. This daily meeting here we have helps a lot. It settles down. It's the foundation of the assistance problems for many people. I don't know, but here in CAEC, you are 8 people living in CAEC, right? And how many of you practice penta? There may be 6 people practicing penta together. You see, from this side of the river. So these are the seeds, right, Professor? Something else I would like to know in effectology. The eye-to-eye interaction effects and the interassistance psychosoma. We are talking about the interaction. When you talk to someone else, you make a dialogue, okay? And it's based on your para-eyes. I'm talking about clarification task, because it's the para-interaction. It's para-eyes, extraphysical process, okay? So in terms of clarification task and the OFEX is on the psychosoma basis, because you need to leave your body when you are an OFEX practitioner, and through your psychosoma you will heal an extraphysical consciousness who is using the psychosoma. When I talk to Lodge here in the extraphysical dimension, I use my para-eyes, because we need to have a multidimensional view. But in OFEX, it's more direct, psychosoma to psychosoma. So it is the clarification task interassistance, right? Yes, it's the base of the OFEX and penta itself.
Valdo, aqui também em efeitologia,
Valdo, in effectology, the effects of
Eu queria que você explicasse mais a argumentação tarística.
Of the personal collection of clarification task cases. See the way I defend my point of view. This is my argumentation. How I use the facts, the perfects to show and to illustrate the subjects, and the bibliography I give you. The problem is that the only bibliography or the only literature I have are my own books. This is a problem. But in my next lives, I hope I will be able to quote you, all of you. You will have your books. There are people who are already writing, but It's not the majority. Well, from the Thesenic point of view, what could you highlight within this clarification task? The first characteristics are those based on the Thesene, the thought. But sometimes you need to go to the energetic characteristic. It's a kind of link, didactic link based on facts. And something very serious about this is before that evolutionary moment. For example, you're making an interaction, no matter if you ask or if you answer. How is this person's verb action? Only talking about the verb action, everything goes down the drain. It's demanding. The verb action is demanding. You don't need to ask anyone. Just by the way someone arrives in the environment, you can see the presential strength. For those who can understand, it's possible to have an idea of the personality just by looking, just by staring at the person, like a view testimony, a view witness. It's a matter of energetic reading, the general reading of the person. Just one more subject. You always talk about the argument, irresistibility of the helper upon the less evolved consciousness. It's a kind of clarification task, isn't it? But this irresistibility is not based on the authority, but the strength of the idea, isn't it? Yeah, but this is the biggest authority argument, so it's very relative. So from the monovision, monodimensional, interphysical point of view, everything is nonsense. Everything is too shallow. They don't solve our problems. The multidimensional argumentation encompasses everything. Consider all facts as a mere attempt, hypothesis, something you are thinking about, you are considering. It's a primary consideration. Due to this complexity of the process, even these people who have attended the intermissive course don't know much about parapsychism. There are many beginners, many freshmen. So we need to slow down to talk about these issues. But here we are on top of the clarification task revelation, unveiling. But we try here, we try there, and we put it, we talk about this in encyclopedia. It's an inventoryology. The encyclopedia receives all kinds of trials, experiments, depending on the processing, the natural processing of the subject matters. It's good for today and for tomorrow, for the present and for the future. Some people will read now and they won't get a thing. Others will read and they won't care for it. The majority of the themes that will not catch your attention, it's because you don't understand them. But these are the issues that reach further. It's very difficult, but it's part of the job.
Isso que você está comentando, então, é como se fosse a lacuna que a pessoa, por isso, também não percebe.
What you're talking about is sort of like
na página 39,
a gap people have. So, in exemplology,
a interação com sim of x impraticável.
You talk about the impracticable sim of x interaction,
desconhecedora do alto para
which is the dysfunctional condition.
Podia comentar, por favor?
In the life of whom is unaware of his interexistential parapsychism. Could you elaborate on that? Well, they don't know anything about parapsychism. So there is an interaction between the conscient and the affects. Becomes impossible. How are they going to do Penta without parapsychism? How are they going to achieve the affects? And there is the other point here, the functional conscious affects interaction. This is the only one who can get to the affects, who can be part of it.
Vocês estão entendendo? Você sabe como é que é o negócio da cenoura da égua?
It's like the carrot of the mare.
E coloca uma cenoura aqui. Então,
have you heard about this? The mare is trying to reach the carrot which was put in front of it. So they go faster in order to catch the carrot. This is like the mare's carrot. Let's say that this comparison, this metaphor, is a little bit rude, but it's very logical and rational for this content. So I'm sorry for being rude. Talking about this. This is This is very interesting, important. Professor?
Na página 37,
on page 37, in numerology,
você coloca
second line,
para laboratório,
you talk about the...
Você podia falar um pouquinho disso?
O para-parlatório carístico exclusivo e o para-laboratório qualquer que você quer.
Heteroconscienciométrico.
I would like you to talk about the paralab of heteroconsciometry. Why is it paralab? Why is it heteroconsciometrical? Well, because it comes from the outside to the inside.
Então, por exemplo,
you are helping people. The OFEX is like conscious institution. The OFEX practitioner is the teacher.
Agora pergunta. A origem da competição dos judeus e palestinos se deu com o pai Abraão, que teve filho legítimo com Sara.
Abraham had a legitimate son with Sarah after she told him to have a son with the slave. After Ismail was born, there was some discrimination and competition between Jewish and Palestinians. But Abraham was not even Jewish. How can we deal with that? Yeah, it's very complicated. I don't talk about Abraham. I talk about Moses because he was Egyptian and the Jewish knew he was from Arabic.
se você sabe algo sobre esse grupo e sobre a possibilidade da morte planejada de 5 milhões de pessoas ou mais em 2012. Eu acho isso vomitivo, de vomitar, besteirada.
Well, this is nonsense.
Para mim é besteirada.
This is
qualquer outro nome
for
está
me.
dentro do tolicionário, que é a maior burrice que tem por aí, né? O tolicionário. Em uma resposta a uma pergunta anterior, o senhor indicou que eu fosse ler o livro Projeciologia.
Well, Professor, you advised me to read the Projectiology treatise. I've been reading it, and many questions I had, and I was going to ask you. I have already had the answer.
Então, olha, anota tudo, você fazer pergunta cretina daquela que está bem obscura para você.
I expect to be
Após o momento que o senhor decide sair do corpo de forma
so write the questions and come here.
Consegue atingir o objetivo? Não, eu não faço isso há muito tempo. Quando eu preciso sair, eu tenho sempre amparador junto por causa do meu trabalho. Eu não ando mais sozinho. Eu já
when
tenho
I need to leave my body, I
mesmo fazendo até
have a lot of helpers
devo manter o horário fixo de quando
nowadays.
iniciei, ou já não preciso manter mais esse horário? Ver a inspiração do seu amparador.
I maintain the same
De que modo
time
o senhor realiza a sua
for
TENEP 24
Penta
horas, quando
right
uma
now,
criança solicita ou quando o seu amparador lhe requisita?
can I
Não,
change
qualquer
it?
hora, em qualquer lugar.
No, you need to
Tudo
talk to your helpers. They will decide that.
Ou às vezes eu chego em casa, tem gente lá para eu atender. No livro TENEP sugere-se horário de 18 às 22 horas. Para quem inicia a TENEP, pode ser feito em qualquer horário do dia,
6
sim.
p.m.
Isso é
and
só para
10
mostrar.
p.m.
Entre um horário e outro, você escolhe 50 minutos
Yeah,
e
but you
procura
can't choose
honrar
any
aquele
time. You
horário.
need to choose one period of
No livro
time
Projeciologia, adverte para
and
que não se faça TENEP
follow
quem não
that
tem
period of
paracitismo ou
time
iniciante na
in your
parapercepciologia. Então, se deve desenvolver primeiro, ou até não fazer, se não possuir essa condição, lógico. Primeira coisa, a pessoa tem que saber no domingo o estado vibracional.
you need to master the vibrational
Agora, gente,
state
eu queria que vocês
for
batessem
start.
aqui umas palmadas, que hoje é aniversário da
Well,
Manu.
guys, I would like you
Sabe que ela tá por aí?
to
Aonde?
have a round of applause to our friend who her birthday is today.
Já estou ouvindo, né?
I still hear the
Muito
echo.
bem.
Aqui, Petra, tudo bem?
Valdo,
Eu queria saber por que
I'd like
você
to
não
know why you
escreveu diretamente a
didn't
respeito da
write
descoincidência vídeo, da máquina de
about
descoincidência vídeo.
the maxi
Não, aqui, no verbete.
this coincidence, the awakened maxi this coincidence. Well,
Não,
this
Então,
is
você
another
experimentou uma
phenomenon.
vez, da relação, você disse que tinha
But
uma
I asked you before about that. No, this is not directly related
here.
here.
Mais o meio de campo.
Ah, bom.
É difícil
It will be more complicated to
E a
write
pessoa
about that
pode
here.
chegar, manter uma TENEP e depois o FIEX sem descoincidência
You
vídeo,
cannot
como eu estou
maintain
falando.
a penta and then an OFAX.
Isso aí
You
é
can
secundário.
actually
Não é tão
maintain
importante assim.
a penta
Agora, sempre
and an
ajuda, se a
OFAX
pessoa tiver isso tudo
without
dominado bem o processo.
this
A
state.
melhor pessoa para começar a ter uma boa OFIEX é a semi-consegue.
The best person to have an OFAX is the semi-consex.
Desde quando você conseguiu estabelecer
Now,
o estado
since when
vibracional contínuo?
have you established the vibrational, the
Desde
continuous
quando, como
vibrational
é que você
state?
conseguiu estabelecer
When
o
did you
estado
start
vibracional
establishing
contínua?
that continuously?
Eu não me incomodava
Well,
com isso. Isso
I
não me
didn't
preocupava.
care about that.
Agora, por exemplo, quando eu já
For
tinha
example,
20 e tantos
when I
anos,
was around 20,
eu
on
não
my 20s,
permitia
I would
eu tivesse
not
qualquer
permit
problema
any
com
kind of
energia.
problem related
Isso,
to
então,
energies.
mais ou menos
So,
por aí,
this is
50 anos.
Up around
Mais ou
50
menos.
years now.
Eu não entendi como é que você
Well,
estabeleceu
I didn't
essa
understand
meta.
how you established this
Explica.
goal.
Eu não me permitia
Let me explain that.
ter algum problema com
I would never
Se
permit
eu, por
myself
exemplo,
have
quero-
problemas with energies. So if I wanted,
Quer dizer, eu não permitia ter.
I mean, I didn't let myself have any kind of blockages in my brain. Well, when I was in a coma, the helper told me that this is what helped me with the accident. I'm still studying this subject because it's a very serious situation. Nowadays, I only think and I exteriorize my energies. Well, for example, if I charge it more, my energies, it becomes stronger. Do you feel that? If I keep on thinking about this on somebody, this will cause him or her a problem.
Então, o que se passa? Já nos meus 20 anos, eu já pensava.
In my 20s, I used to think that I wanted to achieve a level that I wouldn't need to think about the energies. I would need to think about what energies I was dealing with because of the repercussion of my energies. I did a lot of research on this until I had the complete
teve, por exemplo, perda de
master of the process.
Ir demais, ir com força demais e
have you ever done that with
energético,
a lot of
assim, porque o equilíbrio às vezes a gente exterioriza porque um volume grande de energia, às vezes a outra pessoa se sente
with a volume of energy which was too much. Well, I came into a conclusion about that. You need to kill a mosquito with an atomic bomb in terms of energy. This always helps. You will overcome that. You need to have more energies than enough.
Agora, de vez em quando, você matar mosquito com bomba atômica. Você põe tudo que você pode.
Every once in a while, you need to do that to kill mosquitoes with an atomic bomb.
Mas tudo bem bolado,
but this is very well planned with
Agora, o que eu vejo é o seguinte, isso ajuda demais a gente.
This helps us a lot.
Agora, outra coisa, eu preciso ter muito cuidado comigo.
I need to take
a
good care about myself because of my
Por enquanto eu não falo muito isso para vocês. Vocês vão demorar um pouco para chegar lá, mas vocês vão
I don't talk a lot about that with you because you will get there one day. It's a paradoxical point, a paradox.
Então, essa noite, por exemplo, eu
For example, last night I worked a lot. I spent about 3 hours working.
Eu trabalhei 3 horas ali.
I was there
fui deitar,
for 3 hours. Then I went to bed. Everything was quiet. I was by myself in the room because Graça was watching a movie in the other room. So I had time. I turned the lights off. And when I let my energies go to check the energies, to check my daily schedule, the agenda. When I did that, I had an idea who came into my mind. So I turned the lights on.
Já tem caneta, tem tudo que
got the paper and the pen and started writing.
Aí eu fui olhando.
And then I was looking at the watch.
Aí veio a ideia na minha cabeça.
There was this idea.
A hora que apareceu número na hora que você apagar a luz, que não seja 11.
You only will stop doing that
when
you
Agora eu fui fazendo, sempre dava 11.
You reach a number
não sabia que ia ter depois. Então não adiantava.
Different than 11. This is so strange, right?
Eu fiz um dever de 5 páginas sobre um negócio brabíssimo.
But anyway, I wrote a lot about a very serious
demorei
topic,
1 hora
and it
apagando,
took me
acendendo a luz,
1 hour
para ver se dava. No fim, então, eu relaxei tudo, fiquei tranquilo e tal. Outra coisa.
At the end, I was relaxed.
O quarto estava
The room got
Quando eu fui trabalhar, às 3 horas antes,
3 hours before, when I went to bed, it was 18 degrees.
Quando 1 hora depois
Then,
que eu fui,
1 hour later, it was 23 degrees.
Se deixar, daí a pouco está 26, que nós estamos agora, esquenta tudo.
Well, now it's very hot in here.
Você começou a entender o que é que eu
falei?
Isso é que é uma das coisas mais sérias que tem.
Do you understand that?
Quer dizer, você tem que saber se você deve seguir aquilo ou não. Porque senão você está forçando a barra com o seu corpo. Agora hoje, por exemplo, eu falei só 3 horas, aqui dá a fichinha.
Last night I worked for 3 hours.
Porque o meu negócio é até às 8 da manhã que eu tenho que estudar.
I always
às 8 eu desço, senão eu vou pro
computador. At 8 a.m.
Então,
I
eu sempre
either go to Holocycle or I go to my computer. So,
mas quando você está escrevendo, então,
when you are writing
doing
this work,
as ideias, as coisas todas perfuradas,
with your ideas and all that,
você tem sempre grupo
do you
de pessoas que estão sendo assistidas
always have a group of assisted or the field is clean? No. At that time, I was the only one assisted with the ideas and all the process. I had no glasses on, I had my pajamas, I was ready to go to bed. But if there were any contacts, any assistants, I would do the work, but that's not what happened at that time. Usually when I leave my body, I see the work that has to be done right away.
Agora esse aí hoje foi negócio sério.
But this one was very serious.
Viu, Adriana, esse que eu estava
Adriana, pay attention to that.
É o problema.
It's the problem
consciência assexuada.
Of the asexuate consciousness, non-sexual consciousness. That's the theme
Tem nada de paradoxo, não. É a para-realidade.
I wrote 5 pages already about that. It's related to the para-reality.
Consciência sexuada. Agora, quais as
non-sexual
relações disso? O que é que diz isso?
The relations
Agora, eu arranjei
this.
já 2 listagens.
I got 2
Uma de 12
listings.
sobre as consequências. E outra de 25
about the consequences,
sobre os problemas
and the
que
other
afetam,
one about the problems that
o que é que desativa? O que elimina? O que extingue com isso?
Eliminates this.
Eu coloquei 25 coisas que
I wrote 25 things
Agora, as
related
12
to that.
antes são os
The
processos que tem relação também com o assunto. Mas esse é sobre, já é uma linha de
line
pensamento, um processo
thought,
de investigação, uma coisa mais ampla.
Something more
12 e 25.
ample, greater.
A ideia é fixar o processo da sexualidade para acabar com essa besteirada de sexo que tem
settle this sexuality process in order to end up with all these kinds of nonsense we've seen nowadays. Yesterday we were talking about that. We were talking about prevarication. People politicians who have so many lovers. I was talking about that, and people in politics don't even know these people. I know, I've heard, they don't know they have lovers, but I do know about that. And I came to bed with this idea, but I didn't work with anything like that. But when I came to bed, this idea came to my mind.
Tinha amigo meu que já pegou na internet e olhou qual era a amante do fulano.
Meanwhile, there was this friend of mine who was looking up on the internet about these politicians. Well, Professor, why is number 11? Well, it's a technique. The letters indicate words. The words indicate numbers. Numbers indicate your destiny. So everybody has a convergence of numbers and letters. And what's your condition in this case? That's the condition. For example, I go somewhere. I go into somebody's car, sitting there, and I'm going somewhere to check something, and I start thinking, is it something positive, negative? And there was another car passing by, and they tell me, look at the plate. And when I look at the plate, there is the number 11. I've seen that million times. There was this professor who wanted to go on a trip with me to do some kind of research.
Deles, então, que era encasquetado com isso, queria fazer pesquisa comigo de todo jeito.
The professors wanted to do research with me. He said, I want to check this thing you say about the number 11. This is nonsense. We spent 1.5 months overseas.
Vamos começar no primeiro dia da viagem.
Well, I told them, let's start that.
Aí ele começou a ver tudo que era número que dizia respeito à nossa viagem.
And he started checking all the numbers.
Qual era o número da minha passagem? O que era isso?
And the first number is my flight ticket. What was the number there? When we were in Europe, after 1 week, he had already given up, threw the towel. We came to this place, we didn't know anything there. When we got off the car, we didn't know where the station was. And I told him, look at where the number 11 is. Oh, number 11 is over there, so let's go there. When we got there, there was the station. We spent 45 days there. 1 week after we started the trip, he had just given up, threw the towel. These things are very concrete. It's no use studying this numerology nonsense from Orientalism, where they check the handwriting and all that. You need to check things. For example, there is one essential number, one secondary number, and one tertiary number. Usually, you're going to check to see it from right to left, not from left to right. For example, if something is 100%, you're going to see the number 11. If it's so, I'm going to see 6. If it's something so, I'm going to see number 6. And if it's something not relevant, I'm going to see number 5. Sometimes when you pay attention to these things, this will help you find things. in the garbage can, for example, or somewhere else. But this is a big problem for people to understand. There is the need of research, a logical, rational research on that.
Se uma pessoa tem desde nascença número 6 na cabeça.
For example, if somebody has the number 6 in their mind since they were born, no, this is not
o que você recomenda? Ela estudar
serious.
Ou ela tentar entender
o
porquê
que ela recommend them
to do? Não pode ter isso aí que eu chamo de apriorismo.
No, this is
ela já procurar o número 6.
Apriorismosis.
Ela tem que ver o que ocorre na vida dela para ver
they
qual
need
número
to see what happens in their lives. And the number will be there.
Você sabe que tudo na vida é baseado nos processos de 10 mandamentos.
Everything in life is based on the 10
vamos dizer,
amendments.
Esse não está lá.
E qual é?
But there is one amendment that is not there.
Esse não está lá dentro.
What is that?
É o 11º.
Oh, it's the 11th amendment, which is the mega fraternity. This is not there among the 10 amendments. This is what I work on here.
A consciência sexuada, ela chegou lá devido à mega fraternidade.
The non-sexual concepts
ocorreu fato inacreditável. Os pais de gêmeos não perceberam as agressões da babá e cuidou deles durante 6 meses.
Well, question. There was those twins who were abused by the nanny, and the family didn't care a lot about that. Only after the collarbone was broken that the doctor told them to check if the nanny was doing something bad. It took them 1 month for them to film it, record it, and see the film. What do you think about these parents? Well, this is nonsense. They are animals, rich animals. These parents are like animals. Some of the worst animals are these rich animals, rich people.
The proexogenic mastery. If it's related to proexis, to existential program, it is the OFEX, because it's the person's mastery within the existential program experience, and it's reserved, it's personal. So we have an adequate holothacene. That's what is OFEX. And right after we have the personal holothacene. It's the same thing, but it's like a para-appendix. It's like something else connected to the energetic base of the person. Other question. What are the implications of the interphysical environment regarding the place where someone has practiced Benta during several years? Should there be some kind of follow-up? No, there's no need. There's no need. We left a dog, a lady that takes care of the plants, and some furniture. At distance, I have news that things are going well. If you have any indication, I thank you. Yeah, the problem is you did what you could. Now let it go. We'll cheer so you can these guys that are living there are able to know what they're studying. To make Brazil a great school, could we make the democracy improve? The Economist has issued the ranking where Brazil ranks the 47th place. Brazil is good only regarding the election process and civil freedom. They were trying to make a dictatorship. And the leadership of the ranking goes to Norway. We need to amplify our sense of democracy. Yeah, you're right. That's Juarez who is writing this question. And the ranking is issued by The Economist magazine. We are ranking 47, but we always need to keep our hope alive. We need to check the magazine. It's the Democracy Index 2010. What do you mean by brush up? Well, come here to Foz do Iguaçu and you will see.
Técnica de geração de ansiedade.
It's the technique of anxiety generation. You see that guys have received a brush up. Professor, letter B.
Na interacciologia,
Interactionology, second line, page 38. The OFAC's extraphysical centers interaction. Could you elaborate on that? The best for an OFAX, as the helpers say, is when the OFAX is settled and it becomes like a broadcasting station linked to these extraphysical energy centers. So this is the interaction. Extraphysical center, OFAX. That's where it starts. It's just like a broadcast station, you know? They receive the energies from this center and throw to the consciousnesses. And how does it work with the other extraphysical centers? Well, the first is the energy one. I'm not talking about the second and the third one. Just imagine linking with the first one. The first one is the most important. You see? And it's an interaction. That's the idea. Who's got the mic? I was looking for some words in numerology, and it seems to me a bunch of trivocabular megathocenes. Yeah, sometimes it happens. So let's understand what's written here. The praxogenic reserved para-mastery. Para-appendix of your life atmosphere. Para-station. So it's a station, and it's a workstation, right? The clarification, task, speech, place. Heteroconsciometric lab. Para-consciotherapic office. I think that those people who are more who are about to reach the OFACs are those guys from the OIC, the Consensual Therapy Organization.
Agora, o parapatrimônio vitalício individual.
The life,
vitalício quer dizer até o fim da vida. Enquanto a pessoa estiver lúcida, válida, ela vai ter o processo.
Patrimônio.
Então, a numerologia aqui, ela dá praticamente a síntese de tudo que nós temos.
The life property.
Esses 7 itens aqui.
So these 7 items clarify everything.
Ela pode entender melhor isso aí.
You can understand
agora, desse processo
this
todo, o mais
subject matter better.
Ver,
but the most important one, in my opinion,
é quando a pessoa
is
ela tem mais
when
you
have an assistance from a specific center, extraphysical center, and you already have that red phone, you know. It's just like you had a center of helpers. But does the evolutionologist intervene in this condition? No. He doesn't have anything to do with it. I'm talking about helpers and assistant interphysical consciousness. So it's only the helper that allows you to reach the extraphysical centers, right? Well, the letter D, could you talk about the best relationship one can have with its own mistakes in terms of analysis? Because it's very common for us to make mistakes and we go victimization or guilt. The first thing you need to see is that when you make a mistake, you need to correct that error right away. If it takes too long for you to correct it, it's useless. If you make a mistake and you correct everything right away, it means you are a good consciousness. But there are other subtle things. When you make a mistake, and you don't allow yourself to have the second processing. If something went wrong, don't wait for things to become better. These are some details we need to see. These are the procedures. Some people like processing, but the processing is when you already have a whole project, a whole scheme, and procedures are based on your planning. So you need to check this natural sequence of procedures. How to deal with that? What is my second, third, fifth step? In terms of mistakes, I think it's very important to follow this guideline. When you do this, you will improve something very serious within your psychosoma. Guess what? I ask you now. What do you think it is? Something within a psychosoma that improves. Your patience. Because when you make a mistake, something falls from your hand, okay? There is something very simple. You don't forget and you don't leave for later. With a huge patience, you can open a space in your activity, like a parenthesis. I am patient. I can have calmness. And I can reach the monk condition. It helps a lot for us to reach patience. And something else. For those who start doing this, I suggest you to study yourself and see if you are up to date and if you are motivated, or if you're tired, if you're upset, if you're waiting for something. You can't be like this. You need to be calm to do this. And it's good for you to check your intellectual part. The last time you turned on your computer, did you do everything with no mistakes? If you are tired, you will make several mistakes. And you won't have any patience to do what I'm telling you. So the first time to start this is when you're very well, feeling well, you have slept. After the third sleep period, you wash your face, and you tell yourself, from now on, everything is going to be right. In a lucid, healthy, balanced way, okay? When you make an association with an error and some kind of weak traits, no, when you reach this level, you know all your mistakes, your weak traits. This is something advanced. When I wake up after midnight, can be 1 a.m., 2 a.m., whichever time I wake up, because I need to sleep 3 hours. When I wake up, I am full of energy. I know all the steps, all the procedures, the processing, the levels. I do never forget anything. When I talk about my age, people think I was supposed to forget everything at this age, my recent memory, and I don't have this problem. My short memory is the strongest I have. So see, the problem of the systematic consciousness is the best one for the development of the parapsychism. Systematic intraphysical consciousness. It's a process. And my things are all settled. My garbage can is beautiful, you know. But if I have a drawer just to put those things I will forget, okay, they are not fixed. But otherwise, everything is settled and organized. I suggest all these things to you because I don't see how you can evolve without parapsychism, and I don't see how to evolve with parapsychism without assistance. Just through love, nature, many names, freely, it doesn't work. Doesn't work. You last 2 days. Yeah, if you don't fall before that. You can be hurt. Valdo, does it have any relation to the binomial health routines?
Cris, a pessoa tem que ter sistematização. Ela tem que ser sistemática.
Yeah, Chris, but for that you need to have systemic sanity. It's a matter of science. It's high register.
Então, é uma coisa positiva.
It's something positive.
É positivo.
It's positive.
Tem nada negativo não.
There's nothing negative in it.
E outra coisa, com o passar do tempo.
And with time,
isso parece dar muito trabalho, né? Porque tem que passar o gargalo para
because in the beginning it seems to be very difficult, but with time you don't want anything but this.
Veja bem, eu vou lá em casa, no meu escritório,
when I arrive in my office, I know if there were people around there. I don't see the energies. I just know by the way my table is organized. So I ask, who has been here? Yeah, many times my cats were passing there. There are people here who have reached this kind of organization already. And if you are young and you are in this condition, just imagine when you are older, my age, for example. Something else. I always say this, okay? Never think that you are in your maximum in terms of organization. There's always something else you have forgotten. It's essential, very important. But Valdo, how long will it take for me to master it? Well, 2 decades. I think 2 decades has a reason, because you need to practice Benta for 2 decades until you reach Ofex. And life just overcomes you, and it's a problem. Just check my way of being. Katia, for example, knows about my way to see how I deal with things. And Everton knows a lot about me. He's able to guess what I'm going to do next. He's dangerous. He's kind of reincarnated enumerator. See? The last he came up with was that he wanted to number the appliances I had. So I asked Everton, oh, please tell me the things I have in my office. And he said, well, I'll check it in the computer. And he had that already. He's surpassing my requires. I'm just warning you. So, do you see the level of organization?
Eu estou querendo ver como é que é a questão. Quantos relógios eu tenho, quanto isso eu tenho.
I'm trying to find out how many clocks I have, how many watches I have. I'm just like a machine. There are many entries about machine. There is the Proexis machine, the body machine. And it's not a matter of mechanical process. It's electrical, electronic, and parapsychical. It's more advanced than we think. And the proexogenic house is based on that. And the first house you have is your own body. And within this body, what matters is the office, what's on your neck.
Agora eu sigo por aí.
That's what I follow.
Agora outra coisa também séria que eu quero falar.
Something else I would like to tell you, okay?
Isso aí eu acho que eu nunca falei aqui.
I think I never told you that.
Isso a gente processo de pensar, de elaborar,
it's a matter of
de ter muita,
thinking,
vamos dizer, reflexão
and
sobre o assunto.
to have lots of reflection on an issue.
With
time, you will end up doing kind of hygiene, cleaning of your inutilities.
Então, vamos entender o que é isso.
By chance. Yeah, it's not on purpose. Okay?
Você fica de uma tal maneira que
you feel like
mais você.
Things don't involve you anymore. It doesn't reach you anymore.
Não tem jeito.
They don't reach you anymore because they don't fit.
Você está entendendo?
You see?
Então, por exemplo, é como se o seu holotensene
ficasse as your holotensene became round,
não com a
and the teeth
com a engrenagem
don't fit
do seu
the inner engine.
Você entendeu isso? Agora, uma coisa muito engraçada.
And something funny.
A primeira coisa
the
que
first thing that disappear are the trivial things, the simple things.
Elas não pegam. Não há contaminação.
There's no contamination.
Elas são excluídas.
They are excluded. They are naturally excluded.
Então, a futilidade, a
so futility, the insignificance,
a coisa precária,
the precarious secondary things don't match, don't fit. Because in your level you reached
está muito longe. Então,
something else, and the gap is far away.
Fica refratário e faz a profilaxia também. Você não.
And it's like the prophylaxis, right? Yeah, it's already a prophylaxis.
Higiene, limpeza.
The hygiene, the cleaning.
Então, o que é que significa isso?
So what does it mean? It means that your organization system has come to a level where peanuts are discharged. They don't exist anymore. You are dealing only with important things, what matters. So secondary things, insignificant things don't reach you, don't touch you. You are a holotensene. I consider that this is reached with time. It's not all of a sudden, you know. You need to settle your life first. And in this point, you can establish your mistakes, and you can make like a mistake gram, you know. I write gram for everything, so you can make your mistake gram. So you study your mistakes to see during 1 month how many mistakes you have made. And from 1 year to another, you see the mistakes diminishing. I do this since I was a young man. Yeah, and the most serious one is the bullshit gram. How many times you go to the bathroom?
Eu tenho 6 remédios. Se eu não tiver cuidado, 5 deles estará falando. Eu já falei aqui.
I have already talked about this. I take 6 medicines, 6 pills, and 5 of them impact my intestines. So I need to be careful.
Você põe direitinho para ver se está funcionando direito, como é que é.
You need to see if your intestines are working properly.
Pois é, mas você lembra que eu tenho retrocognição.
And I have retrocognitions.
O que eu já fiz de grama não está no gibi. Tem coisa que eu nem vou falar aqui.
I won't talk about the grams I have done in my past lives. If you think about what I have done,
então, o negócio do grama,
you might not reach my reality.
Me ajuda.
But it's a fact. It helps a lot.
Vai chegar certo ponto que esses gramas vão ter muita importância.
We'll come to a time
devido ao sistema.
when these grams will be very important for you.
As pontuações da tertúlia de hoje foram 138 assinaturas no livro de presença, 16 perguntas presenciais, 23 perguntas respondidas online, 41 votos presenciais, 10 votos online. Hoje temos 5 recados. Patrícia, quarta qualificação das equipes do CP2, Marta, balanço existencial, Marlene, acoplamentário em TENEPS, Romeu, facilitação da pesquisa, Marcos, Cineclube. E antes, Eduardo vai falar sobre os amigos enciclopédia.
Pessoal, só para lembrar vocês que no domingo que vem nós vamos ter um sorteio, aqui no dia 26, um Kindle, um leitor digital. E a gente gostaria de convidar a todos que estão aqui, né, para o final de ano, que já vieram para os eventos, para dar uma sondada com a gente aqui no final da tertúlia ou durante aqui os dias no CAEC, para ver a condição de como que está o processo da renovação no programa Amigos da Enciclopédia. Mês de dezembro, nós temos aproximadamente 90 inscrições que expiram. Então, são muitas pessoas, né, que durante vários anos deixam para fazer a sua inscrição no programa agora no final de ano, no mês de dezembro. Então, esse é o momento, a hora é agora, né? O momento é já. Então, vocês podem procurar a gente aqui no CAEC. Eu, o professor Fernando Barbaresca, a professora Eliana Manfroy, o professor Fábio, o Emanuel, que está aqui também, a equipe do programa Amigos da Enciclopédia, para vocês terem uma ideia de como é que está a condição de cada um no programa. Muito obrigado.
Boa tarde a todos. Eu estou aqui para convidar os voluntários e consciencioterapeutas envolvidos com o ECP2 e também a equipe de campo do acoplamentário para a quarta qualificação das equipes de ECP2. Além do momento de confraternização, de encontro, de amizade, de profissionalização, de troca de experiências, quando nós participamos da qualificação, nós nos disponibilizamos para que os amparadores possam trabalhar conosco a capacidade de desassédio. De 5 a 7 de janeiro, quarta a sexta-feira, nós teremos o ECP2 das equipes com o professor Moacir, no Hotel Rafaim da BR. Nos dias 8 e 9, sábado e domingo, nós teremos as dinâmicas da qualificação no discernimento. Obrigada.
Boa tarde a todos. O convite da Apex é para quem pretende fazer uma avaliação do alto desempenho proexológico, identificar as pendências, os erros e as omissões e fazer um planejamento adequado das prioridades evolutivas para 2011. Esse curso vai ser realizado aqui em Foz do Iguaçu, do dia 5 ao dia 8 de março de 2011. As inscrições terão desconto até o final do mês de dezembro. As informações podem ser obtidas através do telefone 045-3525-2652, repetindo, 045-3525-2652, ou então pelo site www.apexinternacional.org/balanço sem cedilha. Obrigada e até logo.
Pessoal, gostaria de convidar a todos para o segundo acoplamentário deste ano. Em função da primeira turma estar cheia, a gente abriu, né, um segundo acoplamentário para poder justamente acomodar todas as pessoas que têm interesse de aprofundar em relação ao tema TENEPS. Então vai ser o acoplamentário TENEPS 2. Agora, eu queria reforçar que é uma grande oportunidade. Vamos estar atuando nesse acoplamentário. Eu e a professora Adriana Lopes. Adriana Lopes iniciando o trabalho conosco, né, na condição de EPICOM do acoplamentário. Tem oportunidade para todo mundo aí participar e dar uma força para esse trabalho interassistencial. O objetivo não é só a questão da TENEPS em si. É importante também salientar, e a professora Marlene vai colocar isso aí, esse laboratório ele está sendo constituído para juntar receita para a construção do laboratório de paradireitologia. Ela vai explicar aqui um pouquinho melhor, tá ok? Vou passar para a professora Adriana Lopes.
Olá, eu quero só reforçar o convite, como já foi colocado,
Para quem tiver disponibilidade para estar conosco nessa oportunidade, nesse trabalho, que nós vamos estar falando de TENEPS, de para-direito. Então, é uma oportunidade, vai ser uma época importante aqui do CAEX. O CAEX vai estar com vários cursos atuando ao mesmo tempo. Então, isso também é um processo que a gente espera que vai intensificar muito todos os campos de trabalho ao mesmo tempo. Vai ter um sinergismo relevante. Então, aguardo aí vocês para esse trabalho. Então, colegas do Para-Direito, os advogados em geral, da CCCI, eu só estou aqui mesmo para confirmar, convalidar a fala aqui dos EPCONs, porque como a gente está na fase da construção do laboratório da Para-Direitologia, houve essa oportunidade de que parte dessa renda pode ser revertida para contribuir para essa construção. Então, é muito importante a presença de todos. Estou aguardando. Obrigada.
Boa tarde a todos. Gostaria aqui de divulgar uma atividade da Reconsciência, que é o Programa para Facilitação Interdimensional de Pesquisas, um programa que é voltado a todos os voluntários da CCCI interessados em desenvolver as suas pesquisas, pensado de maneira a apoiar o pesquisador na condução da sua pesquisa, independente da etapa em que ele se encontra. Então, o programa pode auxiliar a pessoa desde a definição do seu tema de pesquisa até os estágios mais avançados de exposição pública da sua pesquisa, seja ela oral, seja ela escrita. Então, o objetivo é que o pesquisador desenvolva a sua autonomia na condução das suas auto- e heteropesquisas multidimensionais. Esse programa, a inscrição, a matrícula no programa pode ser feita a qualquer momento. O programa não tem data de início e final, ele é contínuo, e a matrícula no programa pode ser feita contactando a Reconsciência a partir do e-mail pesquisologia@gmail.com ou através do telefone 45 999 32000, ao valor de R$315 ou 3 vezes R$115. Obrigado. Fala também.
Então, gente, como todo tipo de artefato é fonte de informação para pesquisa, para estudo, né? A gente tem também, além da escrita, filmes, né? E hoje a gente tem um filme especial que a gente vai até reprisar, já passou uma vez esse ano. Mas está ligado diretamente com a coisa da Ágora que a gente está fazendo, né? Vocês devem ter visto a maquete da Ágora. É o filme Ágora, tá? Com a história da Hipácia, uma matemática e filósofa da Grécia Antiga. Enfim, está fechando o congressamento hoje, mais cedo, às 5 da tarde, tá? R$2 a entrada, mais 3 de pipoca, doces. A gente espera por todo mundo lá, então, tá, gente? Não é às 8 hoje, é uma sessão especial, tá? Compareçam no encerramento do congressamento. Obrigado.
At 8 p.m. Thank you.
O verbete eleito para amanhã é energia consciencial livre, especialidade em energossomatologia. Obrigada e boa tarde a todos.
Thank you, everybody.